Yeah, this right here, y'all, this is what we call the Green Mountain waterfall up on the nature trail. And from what I see, this water right here is so clean up on the mountain that you could probably use it as drinking water. But here's more close-up of the water falling down the waterfall area. That water's just so clear and beautiful, man. You could sit there and drink it all day long. But yeah, that's the waterfall, y'all. And this is how it goes all the way down to the bottom. All the way down to the bottom, right down here. Goes through this tunnel right here. Ends up on this side over here. Right here, as you can see.